Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. I'm trying to beat the sun, but it has already gone down, so what a fail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda, and today I want to share with you everything that I know about Influenster. I've been using Influenster since about 2014, so I have used it for a few years, and I'm so sorry if you hear my dog in the background. He's just kind of walking around. I'm just kind of gonna go over, how it works and what to expect. I don't know for sure this is exactly how it works, but I will explain to you everything that I know. Let's start off with what is Influenster. So Influencer works with brands and companies to provide us, like anyone, with free stuff in exchange for product reviews and sharing on social media. So it's perfect for like micro influencers or people who are trying to get started in like the product review space or like working with brands. It's kind of like a middleman between the brands and us as consumers or influencers. Again, I want to highlight that you do not get paid for your content. It is completely free, but you do receive the products for free for this purpose to test out and share all over social media. While you don't get paid, however, you do have the chance to win prizes based on your content or based on how active you are with the boxes that you receive. So just wanted to point that out. Sometimes that comes in the form of a prize of a gift card or another box of free stuff. So just wanted to let you know that you do not get compensated, but you do have the chance to win more prizes or boxes. So how do you get free stuff? So after you sign up, and I will leave my referral link down in the description box below if you'd like to sign up using my referral code. I don't think I really get anything, but they track when you invite people. So feel free to use my referral link down in the description box below. What I've noticed is you get free stuff based on your activity, based on your interests, and based on your social media presence. So first, once you sign up, you connect all your social media accounts. I've connected like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and it kind of combines all your followers and comes up with an impact score. So that kind of determines like how much of a social media presence you have and an impact that you have on the community. And I think the higher social impact you have and the more followers you have, the better chance you have of getting more boxes and free stuff. But that's just an assumption. I don't quite know if that's really true. I also feel like it's more of like a give first and then get type of thing. When I first started using Influenster, I started adding reviews to the Influencer website just to be more active on the community and to show that I was really interested in receiving products. I also feel like the items that you review and answer surveys about are the items that you could potentially receive for testing purposes. So say I would do a lot of reviews about makeup, I would be qualified to receive makeup products in the future. I would suggest reviewing products that you're interested in receiving or reviewing. So whether it's makeup, skincare, home products, food, pet stuff, like they have a lot of different items on their websites. If you want to like pump out easy reviews, feel free to select products that you know and use regularly just to get your review count high. I would suggest leaving about 20 reviews at the very beginning just to show that you're like really interested and invested in this website. Over the past 5 years, I've only written about 100 reviews, so I don't think it's solely based on that, but I don't think it hurts to be active in the community and like leave reviews for other people to see. It just shows that you're kind of invested and that you want to give also and not just receive products for free. Another way to qualify for free stuff is to complete your Snap surveys. So once you sign up, Snaps are kind of like mini surveys about like your likes, dislikes, what you prefer, the types of products that you use, what your routine is. And it'll just be little short questionnaires, kind of just learning more about you and what you like and what types of products you might like to receive in the future. So this is kind of another way for Influencer to learn more about you and to get to know what types of products that they might want to send you. Definitely complete those Snap surveys. Honestly, it doesn't happen right away. You're not gonna sign up and receive a box right away. In the past, I feel like I've gotten maybe anywhere from 2 to 4 boxes a year. So that's just kind of how often they get, and I'm not very active. Maybe for those who are more active, they get more boxes per year. I would say for someone who has about 100 reviews, who has like a decently high social impact score, I think it's a little over 2,200, and who does complete all the Snap surveys that I get, I receive about, you know, 1 box every couple months. So that's just kind of what you're looking at and just what to expect. I don't know, it could be different for people who are more active on the website, but I just don't really have time to maintain that. So just as a baseline, this is kind of my experience and what I've received in the past. It does take some time to let them like match you with a product that would fit right for you and your lifestyle. So just keep that in mind. Next, when you kind of hit the pre-qualification process for a box, you'll receive a survey in the mail that says something like, are you the perfect fit for our next campaign? Open those emails up and fill out the survey. That is how you will qualify for potentially a box to be sent to you. This is kind of where they ask you more about your preferences and the product specifically that they're trying to send you. And it'll help determine whether this product still fits you and your lifestyle and your needs and your habits and routine. It is also how you provide your shipping address, and the shipping address has to be right. You cannot change it. So make sure you choose a shipping address, and keep in mind that this box or product might not be sent to you for another month. So choose an address where, you know, someone can pick it up, or you'll be home, or, you know, so it doesn't get lost or stolen somehow, like it doesn't just sit somewhere. Getting this email doesn't mean that you for sure qualify, but it depends on your answers. But if your answers line up with what they're looking for, you will most likely get that box. A tip that I have for these is to be honest. Like in the beginning, I used to check all the boxes and be interested in everything on this survey, but it led to me checking off things that I wasn't personally interested in testing. So I ended up with a ton of foundation that I barely ended up using. So that kind of just goes to waste. So if you want to take this to heart, try to be honest in these are you a good fit for this campaign surveys, because you don't want the product to go to waste, and you want to be a good tester for the product and have a very good, honest opinion about it. That's just my tip. You can take it or leave it, but I'm just kind of more mindful about the things that I receive, and I don't want products to go to waste when someone else could have appreciated it more. Anyway, when it comes to receiving your box, you'll get it in the mail around a month or so later after you've received that survey, if you do qualify. And check in the box after you've received it. Don't check in the box before you've received it in the mail, because if you check in the box without actually physically receiving it, and you won't be able to test the products, they'll kind of hold that against you, because then you can't answer the post-campaign survey. They will kind of count that as you didn't complete any of the activities. So definitely wait to check in your box and wait till you receive it in the mail. Next is pretty self-explanatory, but complete all the tasks and the badges that are associated with your box. So you'll receive a box like this. This is my latest and most recent box, or, you know, box. Open it up and see what's inside. They'll typically come with a card, and this will kind of explain more about the product or products included. And it will also share the hashtags and the brands you're supposed to tag when you're creating social media posts about these products. Try your best to complete all the tasks on the Influenster app, and try to get all the badges that you can, because it just looks good on your profile, and the more tasks that you complete and the full badges that you receive, the more that they'll consider you for future boxes. Because if they see that you completed all the tasks and got the badge, then obviously that shows that you're dedicated and that you're willing to test everything and share what they provide to you. So obviously that's what they want for future boxes and products. Honestly, I haven't personally done all the tasks and all the badges that I've received in the past. Maybe that plays into why I only get a couple every year. So definitely encourage you to finish as many tasks as you can. It doesn't count if you don't complete the badge fully and don't finish all the tasks associated to a badge. So definitely recommend you finish the badge and complete it if you can. Last but not least is complete the post-campaign survey. Every box is considered a campaign, so every time you receive a box, they'll send you a post-campaign survey in your email, and fill it out to qualify for future boxes. Don't forget to do this either, because this is really a mandatory survey. So definitely fill out those mandatory surveys and talk more about your experience, what you liked and disliked, and whether you've purchased anything since you've received this box or product or not. So they just want to learn more about how this campaign went and the overall opinion about the products that you received. Just a quick little peek at some of the products that I've received in the past. Most recently, I received this Bliss Vitamin C Collagen Moisturizer, Tic Tac Mints, Gold Bond Whipped Shea Body Butter, Hydro Essence from Laneige or Laneige, Invisible Dry Shampoo from Garnier Fructis, Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Pressed Foundation, K-Beauty JOAH Beauty Precision Brow Pencil, and I believe this is a CVS brand, Type A Aluminum-Free Deodorant, and this Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. So that kind of shows like the variety of different products that I received. This is not everything that I received in the past, but it definitely ranges. This is based on the Snap surveys that I filled out, as well as products that I've reviewed in the past, so it ranges from makeup to skincare to food. I've gotten snacks before. It's honestly a really great program. I definitely wouldn't have gotten this free stuff to test otherwise, and it's really great for those who are like trying to become micro-influencers or influencers. It gives you good practice on providing honest reviews and posting on social media and tagging brands and all that stuff, so definitely recommend it. It is more of like a give before you get type of thing, in my opinion. I don't honestly know if that's really how it works. That's just kind of how I see it, because it took me a little while to get my first box, so definitely try to give to the Influenster community, and maybe you'll see results and get boxes very soon. Sorry if I left anything out. If I did or think about it later, I'll leave it in the description box below. But let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!